Hey, so y'all know that I like North Carolina 28. So we're on US 129 right now. We are headed to Deals Gap. We're gonna get there. It's gonna be a minute though. So if this looks familiar to you, this is the turn before you go underneath the water pipe. So I'm gonna make a right here on Yellow Creek Road. And Yellow Creek Road, if you're trying to make a loop out of your stay at Deals Gap, Yellow Creek Road's a pretty good road. It turns into Upper Tuskegee and then it dumps you out on 28. So there's the water pipe, there's 129. And they paved this road about 4 or 5 years ago, so the pavement's pretty good. Occasionally you'll see motorcycles and sport bikes on this road, but it's not often. I don't come out here that much. I used to come out here quite a bit before it was paved, when it was just chip sealed. I'm gonna say, like, when this bike was new, I used to come out here quite often. I was employed then, so it was like an easy loop. I could be gone from my desk 3 hours, make this loop, hit 28, and then come back US 129, go back to the house, go back to work. Nobody ever missed me. But now that I'm unemployed, it seems like I work more than ever. Those warning signs are new. I wonder how many people hit that water line before those warning signs were up. I don't think you're making it underneath that water pipe. Now, if you take a left right here, if you take a left, it'll take you to Poco Lodge. I think that is still chip sealed. But as you just saw that Lavender Farm sign, as you're coming up 28, there's a sign out there that says Lavender Farms. And that's just this road. If you turn left there, you'll be on this road and it'll take you to US 129. I don't know why you'd want to go to US 129 and miss 28, but maybe some people don't like riding 28 as much as I do. But y'all didn't know this was out here. US 129's on the other side of that mountain. And pretty much all that waterway on 28, once you pass Fontana Dam, that's going to be to the left of us. So if you make it over the mountain, you can see where that water pipe goes. When you're on 28 and you see the water lines coming down the side of the mountain, that water pipe we went under feeds that. To be in my helmet. And then every neighborhood needs one of these houses. That's just awesome. My last house had one of them. I don't know what she's doing. That is not how to drive up here. You do not know what's coming around that turn. And to have half your vehicle across the double yellow line, I mean, she's not making any time. She's not going fast. She's just being dumb. Now she's on the grass. Just remember, this is Graham County, so chances of you running into some inbred local like this, running completely on the other side of the double yellow line, is pretty good. You know, if I'm interfering with her driving because I'm on a motorcycle behind her, we're not going the speed limit. She should just pull off and let me by and then slow down instead of driving like an idiot. Like I said, we're not going the speed limit. There's no need for her to be crossing that double yellow line. And Graham County Sheriff's Office, if you're watching this video, she is VCA 8427. Victor Charlie Alpha 8427. She's probably married to Deputy, so it's okay. Her sister brother. It depends on what he identifies as each day. When he wakes up, he just identifies as a different gender. In case you're wondering, this is the day after Charlie Kirk was shot. And I am one of those people who thinks that the world is a worse place